We're testing out this $23 liquid Ironite. Ironite has had a long-standing reputation of being a product that'll get your lawn super dark green, but I'm not a fan, and we're testing it right here on my front lawn. So this could be totally terrible and make my lawn look like junk. If this doesn't go well, then half of my lawn is gonna be a lot greener than the other half. Today you're gonna find out whether this is a total scam or if it's worth 23 bucks. So I think it's important that we first set expectations on what this is, what it is advertised to be, what it is not advertised to be. So we're going to take a quick look at the label. This is an Ironite product. It's made by Pennington. It says liquid lawn and garden spray, and it's a 701. So 7% nitrogen, no phosphorus, 1% potassium. Best on shrubs, trees, flower gardens, and lawns. Best results: apply to moist soil or after watering. Apply every 2 to 4 weeks as needed as a supplement to your regular fertilizer program. Well, my lawn, when I put this on about a week ago, was pretty hungry. Hadn't been fed since about 3 weeks prior. So any kind of positive effects that this should have had on the front lawn should be pretty noticeable. It's in a ready to spray hose end container, so you really just shake this up, hook it to the end of your hose, spray it across your lawn, and you're done. They specifically advertise on here that it starts working immediately. Non-staining, non-burning, greens up quickly. Nothing greens and grows like Ironite. But we're skeptics. We're skeptics, and we put this to the test. If you're new here or you're finding my channel for the first time, please drop your name down in the comments. I'd love to say hello, and thank you for watching the video. It's also right here on the front, 701, but it's got 1% iron on it, and it treats up to 5,000 square feet. The spot that we put this on is only 1,500 square feet. This will be the side that we put the Ironite on. So I went ahead and took all the liquid out of this container, poured it into a separate container, measured it out for the proper application rate, and then sprayed that across the lawn. 1% iron, 0.2% manganese, 0.05% zinc. It is what it is. So I took this, I sprayed it across the lawn, just like the instructions. And again, spent my own $23 on this, so this is legit. Let's go check out from the street perspective what the lawn looks like now that it's been a week and this stuff has had some time to work its magic, because nothing greens like Ironite. You guys probably know where I'm going with this, right? Not a fan of the Ironite products, never have been, but I've got a recipe in another video that I'll tell you about at the end that'll do you way better. Here we go, here's the big reveal. Ta-da! So just as a point of reference, that middle window there, that's what we used as our halfway point. Do you see a difference between these two halves of the lawn? Does one look drastically different than the other? The correct answer is no. There's virtually no difference between the side of my lawn that hadn't been fed for like 3 weeks with anything but fast release fertilizer, so there's nothing lingering in the soil, and this side of the lawn back here where we sprayed that stuff. No difference. I monitored this every single day for the past 6 or 7 days, and there was literally no difference in the lawn. So this is a total bust, total scam for me. Total waste of $23. Don't buy this product. Now, I promised you that I would give you 2 alternatives to a product like this. And if you're looking for something that's just readily mixed, really easy to apply, throw in a hose end sprayer or a backpack sprayer, especially during the summertime like this, I'm gonna recommend the Spoon Juice product from Yard Mastery. It's a 501 fertilizer, so it's similar in analysis, but it's got a better source of iron and more iron in it. It's got humic, it's got kelp, ferrous sulfate, which you know I love ferrous sulfate. That is a really good product you can apply at a weekly rate to keep your lawn fed and going through the season. And the water that you're getting down with that too every week is really gonna help during these drought times. If you really want to get fancy, you really want to mix things up, I have a video over here that talks about a product that I usually apply on my lawn here, mixing 2 products together instead of granular Ironite, which has got a lot of fanboys and girls. I say throw it in the trash and go with something else. So check that out, give that a view.